Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to stop notification sound while calling. It's very easy. First of all, you have to just go to the dialer, which is your by default pre-installed dialer of your phone, not any third-party dialer, right? So just open your dialer, and on the top right you will see the three dots. Click over there. Now just go to the settings. Once you go to the settings, right, and here you'll get this option of sound and vibration. So just click on sound and vibration, right? And inside these sound and vibration you will find the option of allow alarm notification sound calls, right? So you have to just turn this off. In some of these smartphone it is not available right now, but if you have that option over your phone, then yeah, you can just turn that off. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video. Take care.